All right, on page 21, we're going to be talking about discounts today. And as I've mentioned to you, this is really one of the most practical things because we're going to talk about how much you might save on something and how much you might pay for something. So that's really what this is going to be about today, is how much do you save, how much do you pay? So if a question asks you how much you're going to save, you're going to change the percent to a decimal and multiply by the price because you're going to come up with the amount of money you're saving. Okay, if a question asks you how much you're going to pay for something or how much does it cost, you're going to do this and then you're going to subtract what you saved from the original price. And those are really the steps to these. So let's go through the first example. It's about a pair of shoes. Okay, these are very cool shoes, right? Aren't they weird? I tried to find the weirdest pair of shoes I could, so thought they were pretty weird. Okay. All right, so it says there is a discount of 25% off of a $60 pair of shoes. How much will you save? Okay, so let's write it down. There is a discount of 25% off of a $60 pair of shoes. So the shoes are how much? $60. Write that down. Times 25%. We need to change into a decimal. 0.25. So it's $60 times 0.25. Grab your calculator. And when you know how much $60 times 25% is, raise your hand. Don't call anything out. Just raise your hand. Isaiah? Yep, it's $15. Now, the key is, and this is where most people will make their mistakes in the stuff that we're going to do today. You need to know whether it's what you're saving or what you're spending. In this case, this is not, the shoes are not going to cost you $15, right? They're going to cost you, you're going to save $15. That's how much you're not going to have to pay. Okay? So let's go to the next question then, which says, all right, if we're saving $15, I just changed the pair of shoes for you. So the next question says, how much are the shoes? How much are the shoes? So we said they were originally how much? $60. Write this on there. How much did we say we were going to save if they were 25% off? $15. So we are still going to pay $45. So the shoes are going to cost us $45. All right, so we have a shirt and it costs how much? $30. There is a discount of how much? 7%. So how much are you saving? That's the first question. How much are you saving on the shirt? All right, so we have $30. Now, make sure that you correctly move your decimal. Is it 0.7 we're going to multiply it by? 0.07 because we have to move it two places. So times 0.07. Okay, put that in your calculator real quick. And tell us, don't call it out, but just raise your hand when you know how much we're going to save. Hayden, how much are we saving? So what is that? Like in money, what does that say? $2.10. We're going to save $2.10. Okay. Now, let's go to the next question then. It says, now what's the total cost of the shirt? So the shirt was how much? $30. How much are we saving? $2.10. Okay, stay with me. Don't get ahead. Line up your decimals. So you don't forget. And now you can put it in your calculator. Raise your hand when you have the answer. Kimry, how much are we paying?
$27.90.
And how many?
90.
How about 90? $27.90. $27.90. Okay? All right. Oops. All right, so we have a $300 bike, and we said it was 25% off. Oops, hang tight. We said it was 25% off. So we have 300 times 0.25. Austin, what'd you get? $75. Now, are we going to pay $75 for the bike? No, that's what we're going to save. Good. So it's $75 off. Okay. And now it says, how much does it cost? I like this one. It's like a hobby horse. So the $300 bike. Take away the $75. How much are we going to pay for it? Everybody say it. $225.